Okay, so I'm going to show you guys real quick and easily how to find candlestick patterns in 15 seconds or less. So I'm actually going to go through it the first time here pretty quickly just to prove to you that you can really go ahead and just do it automatically on your broker platform and just find any candlestick pattern you want easily and very, very quickly. And then I'm going to go right back in and show you guys exactly how you can narrow down the search and actually look for stocks that have candlestick patterns that are forming on them. So let's get right into it, and I'm going to go back to my broker platform here on Thinkorswim, and I have a chart of Apple up, and this is a 3-month daily chart of Apple. So if I want to find some candlestick patterns, this is how easy it is. Again, right, 15 seconds or less. I go to Patterns, find candlestick patterns. I find symbols that have occurred in the last 3 months, or let's just say in the last month here. I show only patterns on this chart. And you can see I have clicked all of the available candlestick patterns. I hit apply and OK, and you can see that automatically these two patterns have already shown up on Apple's stock chart for the last 3 months. And the two patterns are a bearish Harmony pattern, which you can see that was a really good signal here in yellow and signaled a decline in Apple. And then also another Morning Star, which is a bullish pattern, which also signaled a quick little bullish move in Apple as well. So you can see it was very easy. And again, 15 seconds or less, and you can find candlestick patterns all over charts. So we can actually go back Apple for the last 2 years here, and you can see that already a lot of candlesticks have already shown up. And let's just highlight in here in June, where you can see that there's a bullish Harmony. Then we have a bearish engulfing pattern. And again, you can see that all of these patterns, when they do show up, these candlestick patterns are alerted. They have pretty good success rates on Thinkorswim here as far as their success in predicting the next trade. Here's another one down here, a bullish Harmony again predicted a very, very long run. Again, this is just one candlestick pattern in a bunch here, but we can go over any real stock here. I'll just type in Netflix, and you can see that all of these candlestick patterns have now shown up. So again, more dark cloud covers throughout this whole thing. I'll zoom in here a little bit, but you can see you just highlight right over it and it shows you dark cloud cover, shows you bearish Harmony, it shows you a piercing pattern, etc., etc. Now what's really cool about this is that you can go back up here to patterns and find chart patterns, and you can actually limit your search to say 5 symbols that have these patterns in the last, let's say, week. And we can actually search just a couple of specific patterns. So let's say you want a bullish engulfing pattern and maybe a hammer bottom and a morning doji star. So you just search those 3 different patterns. And again, we're only searching for the last week here. And we're going to show the patterns on the chart. So we're going to click OK. And you can see here that a couple of charts have come up on the right side here. Oh, that one doesn't work. Let's go back in here, rerun this, and let's actually take it back the last 6 months. Let's say that. Okay, and so you can see on the left-hand side here that a bunch of different symbols have shown up. NBG is one of them right now, and you can see that today it actually formed a very, very clear bullish engulfing pattern. So again, I'll zoom in on this a little bit more. But you can see here today that it formed a very clear bullish engulfing pattern on the daily chart. And this is NBG. So you can see that you can just easily just scroll through a bunch of these and look for different signals. Again, here's another bullish engulfing pattern, SNS, another bullish engulfing pattern. But it's real easy to find these chart patterns on any broker system and platform. As always, I hope you guys enjoy this video and happy trading.